Here I am, Doreen Guarnieri with American Culture Brands, and today I want to talk to you about Pure Blends. Pure Blends is a system of color depositing shampoos and conditioners. These color depositing shampoos and conditioners are not to cover gray hair or to do something with your regrowth as it comes in, but actually for the outgrowth. Typically, when we have an oxidative hair dye go into our hair, which is some sort of hair coloring product, the oxygen, the air, the environment, what's in the water table, pollution, everything makes that change. And in essence, we get fadage and we get change. If you don't want your color to change or fade, this system is designed for hair, and it can be used with any brand of hair color. That has no bearing on it. If you're a stylist watching this video, you can customize these products. They are in retail sizes, but this format of liters is how I use it in my own salon. You can use different shades to make the perfect color, and there are easy marked percentages on the bottle, and then when you're done, you just kind of shake it up, or you can use a chopstick and poke at it to mix it. And you can also write with a Sharpie who it's for, because sometimes when we're in the salon, there's a few of them at the desk. So you can customize this and you can record what you use, or maybe the next time the color changes and you change that custom blend. The way that this concept is designed is that you would use Pure Blends in your hair. If you're using the shampoo to keep the hair from changing, you would use it every other shampoo. Now, every other shampoo could be that you wash your hair twice a week, and that's once a week that you're using it. Every other shampoo is that you wash your hair every day and you're using it every other day. If you can't remember where you're at and when you used it, it's not going to be a problem if you use this more than one time, meaning more than once in a row. You could use it every day if that's what it is, and then you could back off of it. But for the perfect results of keeping the hair looking the way that it left the salon, you would use it every other shampoo. If you're using Pure Blends in the form of color depositing conditioner, they are much more pungent because conditioner is designed to pull into your hair, where shampoo is designed to clean and take away. So the shampoos in that system of every other time are perfect. The conditioners, sometimes that could be too much, and you might be using them once a week instead, and that might be the perfect scenario. What's fun about this product is that it comes in 3 shades of blonde, 3 shades of red, and 3 shades of brown. And there's a color-coded bar that kind of gives you a signal as well as a description of what it might be for. So if you're looking at this product online and you want to know which is the right thing for you, you can easily see the description of what it's for. So I just keep picking up this one here called Lemon. And Lemon is a pale neutral beige, and it says it brightens and tones pale to medium blonde hair. These products are sodium chloride free, sulfate, paraben, and gluten free, which is kind of nice for a lot of people. Sodium chloride is an ingredient that cannot be present if you're wearing some sort of keratin treatment, but it also is not really the greatest thing for hair color because it's kind of like a salt scrub, and it scrubs a lot of things out of the hair, whether it be your keratin or melanin, pigment. So fabulous. It is not made with wheat, so for anybody that has a gluten intolerance, this is very nice to know. And sulfates. So sulfates have been known, certain sulfates can be very aggressive and harsh in cleansing the hair. So it doesn't have that as well. What's really cool is you can find the right shade for you, or professionally, it can be custom blended into the shade that's perfect for you. And like I said, it can be done in the form of shampoo or conditioner. Both can be custom blended, and both can be used straight out of the bottle. Pure Blends is not hair color, so it's not going to change your color unless you want to use it on something really light, what I have on the top of my hair. I can use some of these fun colors like cherry, which is for red, brown, and burgundy hair, which is not what my blonde hair is. If I put this in, I basically will get pink. I'll have some pink tones in the hair. So I can use this to change my color, but it's not permanent. it'll just wash out. So I can stain my hair dry and put some of it in my hair, and it'll come out a little pinkish, and then never use it again, and it'll just wash or deplete from my hair. But if I was to put it on my root or here for my gray, it really won't do anything. I hope that helps. I hope you enjoy the product.